Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Rich coming back at you with another trading recording. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. It's 9:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for those that are new, feel free to click on the timestamps below this video in the description to go straight to the trades. With that being said, let's take a look at the charts here. Right now, we are trading over 20 points below, or around 20 points below yesterday's close. It looks like we had a huge sell-off here the past couple of days here. And yeah, we'll just basically trade accordingly here. I've been finding success with the 1 minute opening range, so that's what we'll do. Not too sure whether or not I'm going to go with the downside or upside yet. Basically, I might not even go with the opening range trade if I don't like the price action. But yeah, that's a plan of action. I'm going to stick with the 1 minute opening range for now and do things accordingly. I'm going to trade a little bit longer today because I have nothing until training, which is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. I did my first training yesterday. It was a nice little training session, and I have a couple of tests that are actually a test that is upcoming for today. So afterwards, I may do some studying. And yeah, that's the plan of action for me for today. But like I said, the job is just to get my trading, like not make trading as my sole source of income, pretty much. The long-term goal, obviously, is to make so much money where I don't have to choose to work, type of thing. The fact of the matter is, I don't need to work for another year or two, but I also realized there's so many hours in a day that it was also good to find a job and just fill my time to do stuff. So that's also one of the reasons why I decided to get a job as well, not only for the peace of mind, but just something to do, because I only trade for a couple of hours a day at most. So anyways, we're almost here to the opening bell, and the opening bell has occurred. So right now it's moving. Let's start drawing the 1 minute opening range. Okay. Was it 24? Oh, it's going higher. It's going higher. It's about to fill the gap here too as well. Let me just make this bigger. It's about to fill this gap that we have, which is 6 points away. I'm only gonna go opening range if it breaks above this 1 minute bar here. Let me see how big it is. It depends how big. 25, 24. Yeah, we could do that. It's a 4-point range. And the 1 minute opening range has been established. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, it broke it. I think I might. Oh, I think I missed it. I missed it. I should have went long. Oh. It depends. Yep, I missed the opening range here, so that's okay. Actually, you know what? Oh, it's sold off. I'm gonna buy it now. With a better risk range. Put it right there. I think it's gonna go off. It's gonna go for it. What's the risk? You know what? Let me take that. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit, but I'm going to still trade here. I'm going to still trade. That was 1.75. Okay. All right. Let's go back to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're literally 4 points away, like 5 points away from the filling the gap here too. So I got a good risk reward here too, cause yeah, I got a good risk reward here. Actually, you know what I noticed? Like I got 8 points is a lot, so that was actually pretty good. All right, so now I'm gonna trade more now. Don't worry about it, guys. I'm trading a lot more today. I think there's reports at 10 o'clock, so I gotta be aware of that fact. But yeah. Right now, I am waiting to see if it's gonna fill this gap. 30.25 right here is a gap fill right here. So 30.25 is right there. I'll draw it with the bottom tick here. 30.25. This is the gap fill. And no, we're going to the highs. All right. Looks like it may be. Oh, it went right through it. It touched the gap. It filled the gap here. Whoa, look at that move, son. Okay. Huh. How am I going to enter in here? That's the question. I got to look at the tape here. Okay, it looks like it breached a very key level here. So I'm gonna make this into like a 15-minute here, right there, so I could see a better picture of the charts here. So we broke this key level here. I could go potentially. Okay, so now we're looking to the upside here. Another level here. Okay, so we're establishing a new value area right there. Just curious to see where this is going to lead us here. We are 5 minutes into the trading session here. So I'm going to draw a 5-minute opening range here. Right there. And this is the bottom of the opening range. So we are okay. I'm just basically seeing where to enter in here. Not too sure. I'm going to be patient here. See a good opportunity to go long here. I'm obviously leaning towards a long here. Leaning towards a long. We could potentially get up to 10 points here in my estimation. We will see. Put on some knee. Okay. Yeah, I'm just basically trying to find another long here. Another place to enter. I might try at the bottom of 29 right there, potentially. It might turn before then, which it looks like it's happening. And it happened. I missed it. It's okay. I missed my entering long here, but it's okay. We are establishing range between, it looks like 550 and, no, yeah, 550 and 225 right there is a new value range here. Yeah, in retrospect, that would have been a good long here. And I could have put the stop right below there. Kind of shady here. I'm just going to be really patient here. Yeah, we're rallying really hard here. Ooh. This might be a huge reversal here. Yeah. Yeah, we're experiencing a huge rally. Yeah, we're hitting new highs here. Huh. We're almost about to close the 15-minute bar here. Let's go back to the 5-minute on this chart here. Oh boy. We're about to close a 15-minute candle here. We're less than 30 seconds away from that. Whoa, look at that sell-off. Ooh, that's harsh. Oh, it's going right through it too. Oh. Interesting. It went back to value. I'm gonna buy here. Oh, that might. Okay, let me see. I might get it right there. 38.25. Yeah. Oh, let me. I took it a little bit too early. Okay, whatever. 1.25. Yeah, it's alright. I wanted to hold it a little bit longer than that, but I'm satisfied with that little catch there. Oof. Okay. Yeah, if I was gonna sell here, then I'm not gonna buy there, am I? Yeah. Oh, shadiness. Yeah. All right. Well, look at that sell-off. Oof, that's gross. You know what? For those that were recommending me to trade the open, I think the open is the way to go. There's a lot of action here. And you could get a lot of moves relatively quickly here. Look at the sell-off happening here. I'm afraid if I buy, it might just break at this point here, which is kind of crazy to think. Ooh. Oh, boy. Look at that. Okay. Interesting. It might be going in the bottom of that value range there. Oof. Yeah, that was a good buy apparently, in retrospect. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna end it here. This is like a relatively big win compared to my other wins here, and I'm happy with it. I'm gonna take this win, and like I said, the goal here is to pass this account so I could, eventually, trade more. Like my objective right now is to pass this account. I'm only going to trade one account until I pass one account. Once I pass this one account, then I'm going to most likely do a minimum of 2 extra evaluation accounts up to 5. That's the plan of action here. But I think right now it's a good time for me to end it. Yeah, it's a good time for me to end it here before I get myself into trouble here. But we have a long way to go, boys and girls. We have a long way to go. But I'm feeling good. And let's just lock in these gains for today. All right. So thank you so much for watching. I will still keep you updated in the for the new hours for my work schedule. Training for the rest of the week is from 7 p.m. to 12 midnight, pretty much, for this week. And then I believe next week I'm going to do on the field training. That remains to be seen. And I won't know the hours for that. So I'm going to find out later what the hours for that is. So I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, I'm just really thankful for this ongoing winning streak that I've been experiencing thus far. And hopefully it continues, Hopefully it continues. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next trading recording.